Hello, today I just recently purchased a RYOBI 220 watt inverted generator easy start model, and it says that this thing is quieter than a conversation. So let's try this out and see if you can hear my voice when I fire this up. Okay. My experience, this thing is pretty loud. So, I paid almost $600 for this, assuming that this would be significantly quieter than my other generator, and it's definitely not. So, it's a nice generator. But on the marketing claim that it is quieter than a conversation, this is not true.